The Kia EV3 has been awarded the highest safety rating following extensive testing by Euro NCAP, Europe's leading independent safety testing organization. The EV3 with a DriveWise ADAS pack, which all UK specification models come equipped with, received a 5-star rating. The EV3 was assessed in 4 categories and performed to a high standard throughout the test process. The vehicle achieved 83% for adult occupant protection, 84% for child occupant protection, 78% for vulnerable road users including pedestrians, and 78% in the safety assist category. The DriveWise ADAS pack, fitted as standard to all UK EV3s, uses a combination of cameras and radars to detect hazardous situations and assist the driver with safe driving and maneuvering. Euro NCAP scored the EV3 maximum points in the side barrier test for adult occupant protection, with the vehicle providing good protection of all critical areas for 6- and 10-year-old passengers in the same test. The EV3 was also praised for the direct driver status monitoring system as standard and the advanced eCall system that alerts the emergency services in the event of a crash. Further supporting the EV3 safety rating is the vehicle's high-strength electric global modular platform, E-GMP, and rigid body structure. The EV3 is an amazingly versatile vehicle, able to adapt to a wide range of lifestyles, and this rating shows the vehicle is highly protective for the driver, passengers, and other road users, said Pablo Martinez Mazip, Vice President of Product and Marketing at Kia Europe. The Euro NCAP rating is just reward for a vehicle that has greatly impressed the media, the industry, and customers alike. With the versatility and affordability to be the main car of a household, the EV3 is Kia's dedicated, high-volume EV for the compact SUV market, being named as the 2025 World Car of the Year at the 2025 World Car Awards. In addition, the vehicle has won numerous awards in the UK including, most recently, Best EV Crossover at the TopGear.com Electric Awards 2025, and UK Car of the Year 2025 at the UK Car of the Year Awards. The Kia EV3 has a segment-leading range of up to 375 miles on a single charge and an innovative interior design that optimizes space, comfort, and accessibility. The EV3 is now available in Europe. Kia plans to introduce an all-wheel drive variant, expanding the range of choice for customers beyond the current 2-wheel drive models. Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.